Our holiday gift package comes in this beautiful craft paper bag, very simple, eco-friendly. And then what's inside is our accessory bag with the native cashmere goat rendering. These are made by Work and Shelter in India, and they help women in need for employment. They are so beautifully made and substantial, zip on the top, and they stand up. And when you pull them out, they have exquisite silk linings from the remnants of saris. Nice substantial accessory bag, and inside you get goat's milk soap, beautiful bar in scent citrus clove, made by a local farm in Ohio, and from our printers, a notepad with the native Kyrgyz goat in winter. What a beautiful gift.